Imagine living farm to table every day with organic produce at your fingertips. Picture waking up to birds chirping surrounded by mountain views and trees, hiking trails, great schools, and beauty of nature all around you. Well, your imagination has come alive. Welcome to this charming rustic cottage that supports a farmer's lifestyle while being close to the LA metropolitan area. Let me show you where this home is located. Known as the Village of the Foothills, Sierra Madre is nestled between Pasadena and Arcadia. At its heart is the city's charming downtown shopping district, a beloved landmark for all visitors. But first, let's take a look at the backyard of this delightful cottage. We're standing here in the backyard. Expect to find grapes, apples, squash, cucumbers, scallion peppers, tomatoes, just to name a few. Sitting on over 8,500 square feet of land, this home offers a rare opportunity to live with nature while enjoying city conveniences like Whole Foods, Rose Bowl sports concerts, and Anita Race Track. Discover the perfect blend of rustic charm and urban conveniences. Welcome home to 320 Grove Street, where your farm-to-table dreams come true.